large roll of shine.
Super bubble wrap.
Hey look, it's Lacey being wrapped in bubble wrap. 1, 2, 3, push her! That was awesome! I think we just got the biggest freaking crowd. Duct tape it to the board. We only got 8 minutes in the battery. Maybe I'd wait for anything else. This has been a Kids Production.